Hello friends, this is Manoj. I'm going to unbox an gaming wireless mouse from Paytm. Hey guys, let me unbox this first. I ordered this for 300 rupees. Yeah, let me take this mouse out. Keep it aside and let me unwrap this cover. Yeah guys, and this is the mouse. Yeah guys, and this is the mouse which I ordered. Yeah, this looks nice. See, it has all the buttons and it is used especially for gaming. See, 2.4 GHz wireless 60 gaming mouse. Let me see at the back. Wait, let me open up this one. Yeah, we have this adapter. Yeah guys, let me see the review of this mouse. Let I first insert the batteries into the mouse. And check whether it is on. Yeah. Let me close this thing. And this is the adapter for this mouse. Let me plug it in the laptop. Yeah, and that's it. See, the LED is blinking. Let me check whether it's working fine. See guys, see, the mouse is working good, fine, and it is very handy to use. See guys, mouse is working fine. See, the scroll button, all the things is working good. See, all the thing is working good. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up and click on the subscribe button to support me and do more videos like this. Thank you. Let me see in another video.